Witajcie. Dzisiaj jestem na lotnisku Chicago. O'Harem. Skąd lecimy do Los Angeles samolotem A321NEO linii lotniczej United Airlines. Z bramki B10. Nie, B9. Z bramki B9 na miejscach 41. Przedostatni rząd, jak to mówić tata, będzie sardynkowanie. Nie wątpię w to. Przez nasz status Silver w Miles and More mamy tutaj bagaż rejestrowany. Dlatego to na plus. Jesteśmy w grupie drugiej. Pewnie, bo wchodzimy ostatni. No i zobaczymy, jak wygląda lot United Airlines. Z tego dosyć ciekawego lotniska. Z terminala pierwszego na terminal 7. Do zobaczenia na pokładzie.
Once I get you off the gate, it's going to take me about 10 to 15 minutes to get out to the runway, and then we'll get you headed to Los Angeles. I'd like to recognize one of our passengers in the back. I don't know if she wants me to mention her name, but I'll just tell you she's up front with us. So I'd like to recognize her. I'd like to pass along my appreciation for not only myself,
Wygodnej
but
pozycji.
all the people here at United. I do appreciate your continued loyalty to the United brand. It means a lot.
For everyone's safety, leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit doors on this aircraft.
If necessary, oxygen masks will drop from a compartment above your seat and ceiling compartments in the lavatories. If a strap appears and you cannot reach the mask, pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic band over your head, and tighten the straps. The bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing. Make sure your mask is secured before helping others.
Should you need it, you will find a life vest equipped with the water-activated light in a pouch under, between, or next to your seat. When directed, pull the tab to remove the pouch. If present, remove the strap from around the pouch. Tear open the pouch, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head, wrap the belt around your waist, and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end and tighten. Inflate your vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by pulling down sharply on the red tab. You can also inflate the vest by blowing into the tube.
This aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary.
Okay, this one's mine. And if you want to earn double miles on dining.
Attendants, please be seated for departure.
Godzinka opóźnienia, ale stoimy nadal w kolejce do startu. Napoje. Można było między innymi taką przekąskę dostać. Albo piękneki. To są napoje. Bardzo dużo tych napoi. Elementary. Takie precelki i takie ciasteczko. Dobre. Całkiem dobre. Ale musieliśmy czekać. Została godzina 23. Z prawie 4-godzinnego lotu. A to długo nie zajmuje. Ale w międzyczasie były mocne turbulencje. Ale trwały przez chwilę.